She said this synthetic wig did what human hair wigs could never. I stopped scrolling when Angela P said she done tried every wig on every continent. Customized, money spent, all trash.
I love her confidence, but I don't really know.
There's no such thing as a synthetic wig that's just gonna come out of the box perfect. Maybe. I found this wig on Amazon. I'm not gonna lie to you. The packaging, amazing. The model, breathtaking. I may have found a wig that's already styled and this fly right out of the box. At least that's what Angela P said. After years of trying human hair wigs off every continent, big baby. Even after taking these wigs to get them customized. Here comes this simple synthetic wig with so much class out the box. Well, Miss Angela P, we about to see. I have been on Sensational here lately. Y'all had a staff meeting or something? Y'all just said put y'all foot on everybody's neck and go into the house or what? From their chic bob collection, embrace your chic beauty. I don't know if it's about to come out the box like this, y'all. But you know what? I'm not going anywhere today because it's a snow day. I know what you thinking, girl. You from Pennsylvania. That little bit of snow in North Carolina is not finna do you. You right, and I still ain't going nowhere. Why you think I live in North Carolina? I don't have to deal with the snow like that. That's what I moved down here for. Y'all, this lady on here, this is such a pretty picture, y'all. She is giving me Karen, but not the internet kind. No, baby, Karen pays her tithes, tips well, and knows the limit on her American Express without checking, okay? She sit around the third row at the church, not front pew loud, not back row sneaky. She arrives about 5 minutes early, perfume already settled, wig already laid, her Bible has tabs, her purse has weight, her credit card has history, baby. Karen don't argue. Karen drinks her coffee black because cream is unnecessary and she is watching her figure, okay? She been at the same salon for 14 years. Karen put this wig on and bam. Karen don't even hardly come to the family reunions, and when she does, she don't really talk to nobody. Baby, Karen has layers, just like this bob. So if Karen is the model and Angela P is the witness, we about to see if this wig is truly church approved and black card certified. It's a T part though, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna have to deal with the part that's been given unto me, but it may be okay. Not a whole lot of lace to deal with, okay? Round, oval, square, heart shape. They have a bob for you. Come on, Sensational. I'm not mad at it. You think I am? I'm not. I'm about to put this on my face and take it to the place. Angela P, if this wig embarrasses me, I have nothing after that. It ain't nothing on the line. I still ain't got that beloved, cuz. Before I put this on my head and risk public embarrassment, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and in the comments drop Karen don't play with them, so I know you in here. Hold a minute. Now, you know what? I'm gonna say it like this. This is not a bad wig. I can see how somebody would say out the box, bam, it's already styled, because it is. So what you gonna have to do is determine if that style out the box is where you want to be. This is still giving church lady vibes, but she probably don't have that black. She might have a Discover card with a nice little limit. Can I say it like that? That's this one right here. And she go to church, but she don't sit in the third row. She sit about row 7, something like that. She just started wearing wigs. This is Theresa, and she bought this with her Discover card. She is doing well. She been in church her whole life. She not new to this, she true to this, but she still just be off in the back. She don't cause problems, nothing. She not on the praise team. She not in the choir. She is not a part of the kitchen mission. None of the things. She don't come to Bible. She comes to service Sundays at 10 o'clock. That's it. And then she goes home. She cooks. Maybe does a little crossword. Prepares for work in the morning. She got a husband. Her husband is a welder, and he has been a welder. He was welding when they met. He is still welding, and he will be welding, and he has nice benefits as well. Theresa is the head nurse at the hospital. HNIC, the head nurse in charge. She'll get on you. She tell people all the time, nursing is an exact profession. You hear me? Ain't no mess ups. Not on her watch. Not while she on duty. Not while she on duty. I didn't even pull out my 360 mirror to see what the back looks like. Tell me in the comments what the back is hitting on. And let it drip down a little bit. When she trying to, yeah. It really just depends on your style, honey. Now, you can't drive like this with the hair in front of your eye. That won't work. No weapon. It won't work. Out the box, I don't know. I guess it just depends. And because it's a T part, you guys, it's what it is. It's just what it is. Got a little Whitney to it, too. Theresa Whitney McDaniels. Now, you can finagle this wig, huh? Did you hear me what I said? Finagle this wig. But I was going off of what Miss Angela P had said. And she wasn't lying, y'all. She likes it out the box. So I ain't even about to sit up here and sat up here and sit over there and sat over there. I'm not about to do that. Let me see your top seat. Let me see what happened if I do this. Nothing. Them nurses be working. You feel me? But they still be fly. They just be in work mode fly. They be coming in. You need something? Okay. Just hit the bell. I'll be back. Don't come back for 8 hours. I'm joking, y'all. Every time I've needed a nurse, those nurses have been fantastic. Okay? Don't get up here. Yeah. It depends on if it's your style. It depends on if it's your style. Hold on. It's a no for me, but I could see how it could be a yes for somebody. I could see it. Hey, I'll be back. Peace, love, life.